Well, obviously, no, ang tanong kasi, no, ang tanong, bakit hanggang ngayon nasa majority pa rin ang mga bilyar, di ba? From the very beginning, alam naman natin nasaan sila, di ba? Bakit sila nasa majority? Hinahabol na sila, tapos politically, hindi na sila in good terms with Malacanang. Tapos, syempre, alam naman natin how close they are, especially the patriarch, dun sa former president na nasa dahig ngayon, no? So alam naman natin na talagang politically they're aligned with the Dutertes, no? The only reason why they have to stay with the majority is to protect their own economic interests, no? I mean, if I may be blunt, no? Of course, yung dalawang committee na hawak nila is very important to their own economic interest, no? Yung I think ano ba
Agri
yun?
and Public Works. Yeah.
Public Works and
yeah.
Agri, no? Of course, Mark Villar with agriculture, with Public Works, and Camille with agriculture. At alam naman natin ang track record ng mga Villar sa usaping yan, no? So it's very critical that, you know, ang bali-balita kasi willing silang itaya ito pag siguradong may numero na. Kaso hindi nagpakita si Senator De La Rosa, no? Kasi ang dilema naman ni Senator De La Rosa, will he risk it, no? Na he will be a part of this stratagem, no? He will play the political game. Magpakita siya doon, parang very dramatic, magpapakita siya doon. Biglang magpakita yung mga mag-aaresto sa kanya, mayroon na palang warrant of arrest, no? So he wouldn't risk that, right? So kaya very although very bold yung game plan, no? But it hindi siya pulido, no? So it's very difficult to execute actually.